Shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
Hello, everyone. Among the numerous applications in the Google Play Store, I found an interesting one. It's the Revive app. As you can see on the screen, with it, you can bring photos to life, creating face animations in just a few clicks. You can download the app for free from the Google Play Store. Now, I'll show you an example of creating an animation. Open the Revive app. You can close all pop-up menus. As you can see, there are many templates. Some are free, while others require payment. For example, I'll choose this conga template. Select your photo and click on the Revive button. The creation process has started and may take a few seconds. I'll fast forward the video. An ad will appear, which you can close. The resulting animation is displayed on the screen. It looks very realistic and nice. By clicking on Done, you can save the video in your gallery. Also, you can explore by clicking on the search button. Enter the desired word. For example, I'll search for the word thriller. Repeat the previous process, and that's it. You can explore and use other templates. I hope you liked the tutorial. Follow us for more useful videos.